For parents who want to make their own pureed baby food, a baby food maker can take the stress and mess out of the process. While it may be an investment, the appliance will likely help you save money, time, and energy in the long run. Here we explore the 5 best baby food makers on the market. I will leave links in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest price. Also included the favorite pick at the end of the video. Starting our list with the Biba Baby Cook Duo 4-in-1 Baby Food Maker. The Biba Baby Cook Duo is our top pick thanks to the appliance's dual cooking feature. It is a multitasker dream unit, allowing you to steam cook on one side while you puree on the other. This dual feature option helps you to get through big batches of recipes in a short period of time. An afternoon with this machine could result in weeks of food to freeze and store for the future. An audible alert lets you know when the food is ready so you can do other things while the baby's food is being prepared. With a detachable power cord, it also stores away neatly when not in use. The number 2 is the Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Baby Food Maker. If you are looking for a baby food maker with an easy-to-clean glass bowl, consider the Baby Brezza Glass Baby Food Maker. Glass is perfect for those who prefer to avoid plastics, even BPA-free, and generally select more environmentally friendly appliances. The convenient baby food maker comes with 3 settings: steam only, blend only, and automatically blend after steaming. The large 4-cup capacity makes it easy to whip up large batches of purees in minutes with little mess and stress. Or you can use the steam-only function if you are also incorporating pieces of food your baby can pick up themselves. Because the bowl and blade are dishwasher safe, you can cook, blend, and then clean with ease. The number 3 is the Nuby Mighty Blender. This comprehensive blender comes as part of a complete kit with everything you need to create a range of different delicious recipes for your baby. It includes accessories to steam baby food, make large and small quantities, and store all your batches. The blades can be adjusted to make food for different stages, including beginners' purees and chunkier toddler mini meals. It even has a milling blade to use with oats and cereals. The starter kit comes with a set of spoons and a freezer tray, which allows you to pop out and prepare individual portions easily. These freezer portions are really convenient for those midweek dinners when you are short on time and energy. The high-torque power motor will last for years but is super lightweight, weighing in at only 5 pounds. The Newbie Garden Fresh Mighty Blender is the only baby food maker you will need. The number 4 is the Oxo Top Mash Maker Baby Food Mill. If portability is important to you, consider a simple unit like the Oxo Top Mash Maker, which can easily be packed up in your bag for an overnight visit to the grandparents or a weekend away. The Top Mash Maker is easy to operate. Just fill, grind, and feed. The non-motorized option fits easily into the top shelf of the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. The number 5 is the Cuisinart Prep Food Processor. This versatile and compact food processor is here to revolutionize your kitchen. Although this processor does not have a steam option, it will transform cooked fruit and vegetables, grains, and more into smooth, delicious purees for a fraction of the price of some more expensive models. It features a 250-watt motor and a patented reversible steel blade for chopping and grinding. A simple push-button control is easy to use one-handed for those days when the baby is fussy and needs to be held. Plus, when your baby is eating table food, you can use this to make pestos, pie crusts, and more. Overall, the Nuby Mighty Blender offers comprehensive versatility with adjustable blades for different stages, a complete kit for varied recipes, and convenient freezer portions, making it an excellent choice for efficient and adaptable baby food preparation. And with that, we come to the end of my review. All of these food processors are best for babies. Each of the mentioned food processors offers unique features and advantages. Your choice among these excellent options will ultimately depend on your specific requirements.